When it comes to electronic devices, when a new model is released, the price typically remains the same as the previous model or increases. So it's not surprising that the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 may wind up being more expensive than its predecessor. Yes, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 range of wearables will cost more than the Watch 4 devices that were introduced last year, at least initially. That is assuming a recent rumor about the situation is true. The possibility of accuracy is higher than normal because it comes from the usually trustworthy tipster Roland Quandt. The Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic are two of Samsung's most recent smartwatch versions. Similar to how it removed the active label a generation before, it looks like Samsung is getting rid of the Classic label this year. The naming scheme will now be much more conventional and mainstream. Sadly, it seems that the rotating bezels will soon go. The rotating bezel will no longer be used this year, according to trustworthy leaker Ice Universe. He claims that the rotating bezel design, which has been a hot favorite for many customers, will not be present on either the regular Galaxy Watch 5 or the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. On the plus side, Samsung may decide to move to use high-end materials for the case, imitating Huawei's Watch GT3 Pro such as sapphire glass and titanium metal. After all of these major changes, it appears that Samsung also wishes to modify the pricing. Let's just see what happens. The Galaxy Watch 5 40mm Bluetooth will cost €300, while the LTE variant will cost €350. The Galaxy Watch 5 44mm Bluetooth-only device will cost €350, while the LTE-capable model will cost €400. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will only be available in one size 45mm. It will cost €490 in its Bluetooth-only version. If LTE is added, the price rises to €540. The Pro will be offered in titanium and black. We're looking at a €30 price increase here, when you consider that the 40mm Galaxy Watch 4 costs €270, with Bluetooth just and €320 with LTE. Let me warn you that because these costs are in euros, they will be different when compared to those in the US or other nations. So what do you think about this Galaxy Watch 5? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.